Hi, this is Professor Huang. Today I'm gonna talk about this convolution neural network. And the idea here is we're trying to do a test to see whether the complex convolution neural network is better than the plain convolution neural network. As you know, convolution neural network is doing nothing but uh, not really convolution. It's just correlation. Because the people picked the wrong word, convolution for this neural network. Uh, that's why we call it convolution, but it's actually not convolution. It's actually correlation. Okay, so that's a history. We made a mistake and then we continue mistake. So whether you are doing virus analysis, you're doing communication analysis, or doing stock market analysis, doesn't matter. Uh, you pick a program or MATLAB or Python, whatever interests you, whatever topic interests you, whatever language you like to play, pick a CNN. For example, um, I did not have time. If I have time, I can play with this code. CNN on MATLAB. There are lots of CNN on MATLAB. Pick any of them. Pick any one of them. And then what I want you to help me to do is replace the correlation. Like this is a correlation. We have X and a Y. This is a correlation. Correlation. That's what this is a pretty much the operation inside the CNN. They should have called a correlation neural network, not the convolution neural network. But anyway, so they are doing correlation. Um, correlation X minus X bar or X cap, this is a mean, and a Y times. Make sure that you put a times there. Times Y minus Y mean. And then this is a correlation. However, what we want to do is instead of doing this normal correlation, normal CNN, we want to change something. We just change a one-line code. So instead of this n, when n equals 1, this is a correlation, which is a convolution, wrong term, convolution neural network. We replace the 1 with 0.75. That's all we need to do. You go to the code, Python, Java, or MATLAB, change the 1 to the 0.75. So this way, the correlation becomes complex correlation. So um, when this code becomes uh, or once you put a 0.75, the normal correlation is -1 to +1. It will become a complex number. So basically, we want to construct a complex convolution neural network or CCNN and using the formula 1 to 4. And we're gonna repeat either RNN or CNN or whatever. For now, I want to do a test just on CNN. Why? Because it's easiest change. It's easiest change, most easiest change. Because all you need to do is replace 1 with 0.75. Okay, so it's like a one-line change to change this CNN to CCNN. So after that, we want to do some experimental to see how things looks like. For example, this one is trying to train in this uh, code and then see how it converges. And this is the data, the value prediction of value or the true value. Um, I think if the data set is kind of linear, then we probably get a very similar result, or maybe CCN slightly faster. However, if we play with the other kind of data set, for example, if the data set is not like a linear, it could be go up and then go down, or make a curve like in the virus or stock market. Stock marketers always go up and then go down and go up and go down. So in those kind of data set, in mathematically we call the nonlinear data set. For the nonlinear data set, I think this complex version will be better, but we need to test it to see what happens. So that's all I want you. If you have time, go play with it. Thank you.